Cleaning food contact surfaces. Food contact surfaces are the surfaces in a kitchen that need to be cleaned constantly to ensure a safe and healthy environment in which food can be prepared and colleagues can work. Surfaces are under constant threat from the invisible enemy, or germs, that love to breed where food is prepared. In this lesson, we'll be focusing on identifying food contact surfaces and cleaning food contact surfaces. First, let's look at identifying food contact surfaces. Look around you. There are many different surfaces that we touch where food may be affected directly, indirectly, or not at all. Because hands are used to prepare food, anything that they touch, such as a door handle, no matter how indirectly, becomes a food contact surface and has the ability to contaminate food. Bacteria, known as germs, are teeny tiny organisms that can't be seen by the human eye, although they can make you very sick and in some cases cause death. So, a surface may look clean and shiny, but in actual fact it is teeming with filthy germs waiting to multiply on the first piece of food with which they come into contact. So how do we know when a surface is truly clean? The only way to know that a surface is clean is to follow these cleaning steps rigorously and tirelessly as a true Hilton professional. Next, we'll look at cleaning food contact surfaces. To ensure that food contact surfaces are immaculate and free from germs, follow these steps. Step 1. Ensure that the chef or cook removes any prepared food from the surface. Step 2. Bring a trolley with the cleaning caddy and cleaning equipment and place any dirty kitchenware onto the trolley, away from the cleaning equipment. Step 3. Using paper towel, scrape the surface to remove any loose scraps, then discard the paper towel. Step 4. Spray the surface with a detergent disinfectant that works to clean and sanitize at the same time. Step 5. Wait for 5 minutes. The contact time for food contact surfaces must always be 5 minutes. Other surfaces can have a 1-minute contact time. Step 6. Use fresh paper towel to remove the detergent disinfectant. Step 7. Dampen a clean microfiber cloth with fresh water, squeeze out excess water, and rinse the surface of the residual chemical. And lastly, Step 8. Dry with paper towel. Throw away all paper towel and send the microfiber cloth to the laundry. Let's do a quick recap. Step 1. Remove. Step 2. Trolley. Step 3. Paper towel. Step 4. Detergent disinfectant. Step 5. 5 minutes. Step 6. Paper towel. Step 7. Damp cloth. And Step 8. Paper towel. Now that you have learned how to clean a work surface, let's look at cleaning a stovetop properly. Step 1. Because you are using some heavy-duty chemicals and coming into contact with hot equipment, make sure you use PPE, such as heat-proof gloves, a heat-proof apron, goggles, and a mask. Step 2. Make sure that the stovetop is hot. If it is cold, the chemical won't work properly. Step 3. Spray the surface with Diverseas D9. Step 4. Using a scourer and a bucket of fresh water, scrub the surface with a damp scourer. Step 5. Using paper towel, wipe off all the chemical and water. Step 6. Spray the surface with a detergent disinfectant. Step 7. Wipe the surface with paper towel. Step 8. Scrub the wall behind the stove with a heavy-duty degreaser, such as Diverseas D3.5. The reason we use a degreaser and not a tile cleaner is because the tiles come into contact with oil and little bits of food. Step 9. Wipe the wall clean and dry. Step 10. Replace the grids only once they have been cleaned thoroughly. Let's do a quick recap of this procedure. Step 1. PPE. Step 2. Heat. Step 3. Diversies D9. Step 4. Scrub. Step 5. Wipe. Step 6. Detergent disinfectant. Step 7. Paper towel. Step 8. Heavy duty degreaser. Step 9. Wipe. Step 10. Grids. Now that you know how to clean food contact surfaces, you can clean all the different areas in the kitchen that come into contact with food, directly and indirectly. Remember to wash your hands before and after cleaning, and to wear any PPE necessary. Well done on learning all about cleaning food contact surfaces, and enjoy putting your new knowledge into practice.